Hey everyone, this has been unboxing here of the Samsung Galaxy A35. These came out not too long ago. I want to say, what, 2 months ago, 3 months ago, something like that. Not too crazy long ago. This one is an open box from Best Buy. These are normally $400. They are on sale currently down to like $370. I bought this one for $305 before taxes. This is an open box, excellent condition. So let's get on into this. And it basically looks like they didn't even open this thing up. They must have really put that back on there very well. Then we have your quick start guides, and we have your cable. Of course, there is no charging brick with it. This color is gonna be really hard for me to show off on camera, as my lighting's not the best. But this is a thing called Awesome Navy, something like that. It's just a very crazy dark blue, and it actually looks really nice. Again, hopefully you guys can at least somewhat see that color. It's really nice looking. You have your 3 cameras. You have your flash there. Definitely a bit of a heavier phone. A little bit of a thicker phone here, of course. Being in this price range, they usually are a little bit on the heavier side. You have volume rocker, power button. So it's all the tape on this one. You have your SIM card ejector spot there, or SIM card spot there. Mic right there. Nothing on that side. And you guys can see there is, well, hopefully you guys can see, there's a bunch of fingerprints on it. So someone definitely used it for a little bit, but otherwise it looks like almost perfect shape. Of course, you have a front-facing camera there. These dark colors, I'm sorry, are really hard for me to show off with my setup, but it is really nice looking color. It's a very dark blue, navy blue, very nice looking. So again, this is just an unboxing of this, but I will be doing a bunch of videos to come on this A35, as well as a couple of other phones I picked up from Best Buy today. So stay tuned to my channel. I'll be doing a bunch of videos on these. Yeah, thank you all for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you guys next.